behind on one mark there. If you mark them for us, and then we can move the wood on one mark. Oh, see that one there? That there. Don't cut through.
Welcome back to another work party. The first one I filmed in 2018. Apologies that there's been a massive gap since the last video, but some technical problems and I've not been to some of them have meant that there hasn't been a video. I do apologise. But we're here on Sunday, I wasn't here yesterday, and the work that we've been doing...
Skiving as usual, Matthew!
Of course. The work that we've been doing along here. The old fence here, which has been bundled up over there, is completely rotten and needed replacing. So we're replacing all of this with new posts and new fencing in. This is part of the thing, just to make sure that we get rid of the motorbikes and also neaten up the area, because this towpath is getting resurfaced soon, like has happened on the Berry Arm up at Radcliffe. So, we've got new fences, a new big gate's going in there for access, because this is where the weed cutter boat comes in. So yeah, we're getting all this sorted out, and Stoneclough Community Group are going to be coming down and helping as well, which is going to be brilliant, getting more people working on the canal. That's always a good thing, because we are near Stoneclough. Anyway, we've got plenty of work to be doing. We've got to get these posts in, we've got to get them concrete in, we've got to get the rails in, so let's get to it.
Here's the rough step. Hey? Not sure. You're happy about just nailing this, aren't you? Nailing that one? Don't need to take it off now, do we?
No.
So the area of Canal that's behind me, this is actually the Salford Arm, the Manchester part of the Manchester, Bolton and Bury, and it's completely silted up. Now this actually does get dredged. It was dredged recently, just a few months ago, but it's only to make the water flow through the canal. It's not dredged for boats, sadly, so we don't get it dredged full depth.
Matthew, are you talking to yourself again?
Absolutely. But it is interesting to see how wide the section of canal is. Unusually, for some reason, it's very wide, even though the channel is maybe only a few metres across. Right at this end, before the bridge, is quite a substantial width. Now that bridge is one of the first successes of the Canal Society back in the day. This bridge was originally a wooden bridge. It was I think it was a wooden bridge anyway, and it was in need of replacement, and originally they were just going to fill it in, put a road across. And the Canal Society back in the 1990s, I believe, 1980s, 1990s, actually petitioned, got this bridge put in instead at full navigable height, and well, has ensured that navigation can continue along here, which is rather useful.
So the joint's not in the same place, and then put a piece in there, and we'll have this finished.
You don't want it.
Yeah.
Good idea, son.
Cheers, Dad.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see him now. He's going over towards Wilson Bridge. I've just seen him then going to the right. There's a lot of kids go down the bottom, isn't there?
And it would be on its own, there's no rail to screw it, so at least stable it up.
So we've come to the end of the day, and we've actually done quite a lot of work. As you can see, we've got parts of the fence started up here. The Stoneclough group is actually going to be finishing this off. We also dug all of the holes for the posts at the correct distances so they can all link up in the best way possible. Cleaned up all of the stones. These are the bits we've finished over here. We finished up all of the rails over here. All been tied in properly so that none of the wonderful little darlings who love ripping these off can really easily rip them off. They're all securely held in place all the way along. It's just replacing the rotten old stuff that got pulled out yesterday, but I wasn't here. So yeah, that is going to be it for today. We've got everything finished up, so we shall see you for the next work party in May. See you then.